Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly amazing: volcanoes. Have you ever thought about how volcanoes actually erupt? Or why they even exist in the first place? And what's going on deep inside the Earth when they blow? Stick around, because I'm going to break it all down for you, from how volcanoes form to some of the most dangerous eruptions in history. So, let's ignite our curiosity and explore the fiery world of volcanoes. In 1943, a farmer named Dionisio Pulido was working in his field in Mexico. Suddenly, the ground cracked open beneath him. Within hours, a volcano erupted, towering 400 meters high. Fast forward to 2017 in Italy, where tourists were filming Mount Etna. As they captured the beauty, the volcano erupted unexpectedly. Panic ensued as everyone ran, still recording the chaos. Miraculously, all the tourists survived the explosive event.
Ever wonder how volcanoes are formed? Let's dive deep beneath the Earth's crust to find out. Our planet is made up of massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always on the move, slowly but surely. When two plates collide or drift apart, something amazing happens. Magma from the mantle can rise through cracks to the surface. In places where plates pull apart, like Iceland, volcanoes emerge. And when plates collide, one can slide under the other, forming volcanoes in Japan and Indonesia. So, in a nutshell, volcanoes are nature's way of releasing pressure from deep within the Earth.
Believe it or not, most volcanoes are actually hidden beneath the ocean. Around 80% of all eruptions happen there, which is pretty wild. Take the Hunga Tonga volcano, for example. When it erupted in 2022, it was so massive that satellites captured the explosion from space. Can you imagine that? A volcanic eruption seen from space. Nature is truly incredible, isn't it? Did you know that from 1983 to 2018, a volcano in Hawaii erupted almost non-stop? That's a whopping 35 years of continuous lava action. But here's the twist. It didn't just destroy land, it actually created more. Over 875 acres of new coastline formed when lava met the ocean. Talk about Earth doing some extreme landscaping. So, if you ever visit Hawaii, don't just expect beaches and palm trees. You might witness one of nature's most powerful wonders still shaping our planet.
Believe it or not, the world's most active volcano isn't in some far-off land. It's right here in Hawaii. Meet Kilauea, the superstar of volcanoes on the Big Island. This volcano has been erupting so often, it could win Employee of the Month every month for the last 40 years. Kilauea is truly a force of nature, constantly reminding us of the power beneath our feet. Volcanoes are often seen as destructive forces, but they play a crucial role in our planet's health. They create new islands and enrich the soil, making it fertile for life. Just think about those stunning landscapes shaped by volcanic activity. And let's not forget about geothermal power plants that harness volcanic heat for clean energy. Sure, volcanoes can be dangerous, but they also support life in ways we often overlook. So next time you think of a volcano, remember its vital contributions to our world.
Did you know there are scientists called volcanologists? They study volcanoes to help predict eruptions and save lives. Using special instruments, they measure ground movement. They also track gas emissions and temperature changes. Earthquakes near volcanoes are another key focus for them. While we can't always predict the exact moment of an eruption, modern technology allows for early warnings. This means people can evacuate safely when needed. Throughout history, volcanoes have dramatically changed our world. Let's take a look at some of the most famous eruptions. Mount Vesuvius in Italy, AD 79, buried the ancient city of Pompeii. Krakatoa in Indonesia, 1883, was one of the loudest explosions ever recorded. Mount St. Helens in the USA, 1980, caused massive destruction and ash clouds. And then there's Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines, 1991, which released so much ash it slightly cooled the Earth's temperature. These eruptions remind us of nature's incredible power.
Some eruptions are mild, while others unleash chaos. They can destroy everything in their path, leaving devastation behind. But after the fury, something beautiful happens. Volcanoes create new landforms, reshaping the earth. They enrich the soil with minerals, making it fertile. So, in a way, volcanoes are both destructive and creative forces of nature.
Now comes the exciting part, the eruption. Deep inside the Earth, magma is building up pressure. When that pressure gets too intense, it finds a way out. It pushes through cracks and bursts through the volcano's opening. During an eruption, you might see lava flowing like a river. Ash and gases shoot high into the sky, creating a dramatic scene. Volcanic rocks are launched into the air, a true spectacle of nature.
Not all volcanoes are created equal, and that's what makes them fascinating. There are three main types of volcanoes, each with its own unique shape and eruption style. First up, we have shield volcanoes. These beauties are wide and gently sloping, resembling a warrior's shield. They produce slow, flowing lava, like the majestic Mauna Loa in Hawaii. Next, we have cinder cone volcanoes. These are smaller and have steep sides, making them look quite dramatic. When they erupt, they do so explosively, sending ash and rocks soaring into the sky. A perfect example is the Paricutin in Mexico.
Did you know a volcano is basically an opening in the Earth's surface? It's where magma escapes from deep inside our planet. When that magma erupts, it turns into lava, which is what we see flowing during an eruption. Volcanoes can look like mountains, but they're formed differently. They build up from layers of cooled lava, ash, and rock over time after eruptions. There are thousands of volcanoes around the world. Some are quiet and sleeping, while others are active and ready to erupt at any moment. And that's a wrap on today's video about volcanoes. We explored what volcanoes are and how they form. We also talked about why they erupt and their impact on our planet. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of volcanoes, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more awesome science content. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, nature is both powerful and beautiful. Catch you in the next video.